Universal Free. Operating System Options.
How much is it going to cost me to get a new operating system for my computer? I guess I could check out this new internet thing. Alright, internet, yay! Okay, let's see what the damage is. What in the cat hair is this nonsense? $100 just to upgrade. There has got to be a more cost-efficient way of upgrading.
Have you tried looking into a Linux OS?
Linux? No, I haven't. How much does that cost?
Absolutely nothing.
What's the catch?
No catch. Just a lot of options. And a little learning curve.
What kind of options and learning curve are we talking about?
There are tons of Linux distributions, and some are more command line based.
Okay. What kind of distributions?
They have Ubuntu, Mint, Arch, and so many more. I personally use Linux Mint on my computer, but I think Ubuntu is a good starting place for new users.
I think I'll give it a shot.
That's the spirit. Switching operating systems is not as hard as you think. There are so many people online that have done this, and have made video tutorials with step-by-step instructions on the subject. To name a few, there is Chris Titus Tech, Linus Tech Tips, and the Linux Experiment. They give their opinions and help you to decide which OS is best for your needs. Once you've found the OS that is right for your needs, Google the distro and download the file according to your computer specifications. You can find the computer specifications in the system info file on your computer. Sometimes it's in the settings file as well. Once you download the OS file, you will need to get a few items. A thumb drive with the appropriate amount of storage on there, and another free program to turn the file you've downloaded into a usable OS file. The program that best works for me putting Linux systems on computers is called Balena Etcher. Once you have this program, it will take you through making the OS thumb drive in 3 simple steps. If you are worried about if you are going to like the Linux platform, usually in the OS file prior to installation it will give you the option to try the system live without installing it on your computer. If you happen to have a spare hard drive laying around, or an old computer collecting dust, this is a great way to test out the system and give these items new life. I hope that this video has given you good information on this subject. Linux operating systems are all open source systems. That means that the programs and systems are made by people in their spare time and are always making the program or system better. This is how the system can be free. If you can or want to, you can show your appreciation by donating a little money to the projects they create. Now get out there and learn more. You got this.
Like and subscribe. You got this.